All right, today we're going to rotisserie a couple turkey breasts. This is an Fresco grill. It's one of my favorite grills. It's got a separate smoker drawer, and what we're going to do is add some wood chips in here. These wood chips I've soaked for about a half hour in water first so that they don't catch fire too quickly. And I'm going to spread them out in the smoker drawer. And the beauty of this grill is it has this separate smoker drawer that has its own burner. So it's not heating the whole cavity, it's just heating the wood chips. So I'm going to get this smoking. I'm going to smoke these turkey breasts for just a couple hours without overheating the section and cooking it. And then at that point, I'll put some vegetables underneath and I'll turn on the back rotisserie burner. Right now I'm just going to line this up so I don't have to deal with this later when it's real hot. And tighten it down. All right, rotisserie is on, and we're going to set that up and get that smoking. I'll check that in about 20 minutes and refresh the wood chips. All right, so I've pre-cooked some vegetables, potatoes, onions, carrots, and mushrooms, and garlic. About 35-40 minutes at 350 degrees in the oven. And I'm just going to leave them underneath these turkey breasts to collect the drippings as we start to cook them. For now, we're still just smoking, and we're at about 100 degrees, so we're not really cooking the turkey yet. I'll let that smoke for about another hour and a half, and then I'll turn the heat on the back, and I'll put a little bit of heat on one of the burners below the potatoes so they continue to cook in the drippings from the turkey. This is an Fresco grill. It's a 42-inch model. It has a sear zone. It has 3 cooking zones. It has a back rotisserie burner, and it has the separate smoker drawer. It's also lit from the interior, so it's a terrific grill. I like the rotisserie on this particular model because it's interior gear driven, meaning there's no outside motor moving, and it's rated to 120 pounds on the spit. So there's no limit to what you can rotisserie on this. You could cook up a whole pig if that's what you wanted to do, or steaks, or I've done pork chops and filet mignon roasts. Really is a terrific rotisserie. Great for entertaining. What's nice thing about rotisserie cooking is from an entertaining standpoint, you can do all your prep work ahead of time. So when company comes over, it's already going, it's on. You can spend time with your friends and family, and you don't have to work the grill the whole time. All right, our turkey breast's been smoking about 2 hours now, and I'm ready to turn the heat on the back edge. So the smoker drawer is still producing smoke, and I'm gonna let that continue. But now I'm ready to put the heat on the back side. So I'm gonna turn on the rotisserie burner. And we're going to turn a little bit of heat underneath the potatoes here. I like to keep the heat on the bottom very low. So now as I start to put the heat on this a little bit, I'm going to start applying a glaze. And this is a fig butter with garlic and a little bit of olive oil. And I'm just going to use that to base this just a little bit as we're cooking this. This is going to cook for about 45 minutes. And I'm just going to get that glaze all over that as we go. I'll check it a few times while we're chit-chatting and drinking our cocktails. All right, we're in good shape. All right, the turkey breasts and vegetables are ready to come off. The turkey breasts are about 136. I'm gonna pull them off and let them rest for 15 minutes. They're gonna be just perfect, but I don't wanna continue to let them cook. And when I pull them off, they'll be overdone. So I'm gonna pull the vegetables off, and I'm gonna pull the turkey breasts off, and I will drop those. Oh yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna let those rest for about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll be back to it. All right, now these have rested about 15 minutes or so, and they're ready now to be carved. Smoked on the outside, cooked perfectly on the inside. Ready for entertaining. Oh, that's good. That's real good. Come on.